Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, I dey on top bike from Umuahia. I dey go Isiala Ngwa North local government. Yes, Nsulu. Wey dey for Isiala Ngwa North. Just very close to Umuahia, and I see the same place where the Abia airport dey, wey dey under construction right now. You understand? So on this day, I just dey bored. I can't say, nah guy, make I just leave house. I no wan waka around Umuahia. See, I just enter Nsulu. I still post am for my YouTube channel. Make una see how im be for 2025. You understand? So this road na everywhere na Ngwa. See these buildings wey dey see here now. I hear say na doctors quarters. You understand? Doctors FMC, wey dey for FMC, Federal Medical Center Umuahia. Na wetin I hear. I know whether na true. You understand? So all this side na Ngwa. If you from here, I beg you better like my video. Just like my video, give me thumbs up. You understand? If you from here, tell me for comment section too. You understand? The road dey very okay. From Umuahia, if they go airport, once they build this airport finish now, this road, people wey from Umuahia go dey follow. You understand? Now this road. Now I come observe say for this Isiala Ngwa North, say enough palm trees dey for here. Along this road, many palm trees dey. You understand? Now, if you look beside the road, both on the left hand side, the right hand side, e dey bushy. You understand? Green grass for here. All this grass chop belle full, size dey green reach. You understand? Now, Ngwa now, this Isiala Ngwa North na Nsulu, wetin dey know them for? Kedifeji wey man and Ndeba. Ndeba dey very hardworking. They have a lot of prominent men and women. Mana ebe na agriculture, Ndeba na-agbalị, ha na-akọpụta ezigbo nri ebe a. They are good in agriculture. You understand? In this video, I go show you some farms where we say I pass through as I dey go Mvoshi. Is it Mvoshi or Mbao? Mbawsi. You guys they pronounce them. You understand? But all this side like this na Nsulu, Isiala Ngwa North. So in the course of this video, I pass through Umode, Umosu, Iputu, Obaha. In fact, the Obaha self, why I go pass through, I almost reach that place. Where we say that they construct airports, the Obaha side of the airport, because maybe we lead that Obaha where that airports they will enter other communities too. So now in be this. So if you dey happy, say I pass your village, tell me for comment section. So for here, you go see women who be say they drive old mama them, they drive bicycle and they carry firewood for their bicycle too. Village vibe. Maybe small thing. Village vibe still there for here. Here one na school. Here na school. So maybe we just they drive, they go. Make they carry on. They enter inside Nsulu for Isiala Ngwa North local government area. Kena Wongwa. Kena Wongwa. So watch this video down to the end. Tell me what you think in the comments section. Also help me click the share button and share the video. Ihe ọzọ eji marakwa ebe ichefuokwala m ihe ọrụ side na ahịa Umuosu. The day a na-azụ ya ọ na-ekwo ekwo. A lot of people come from different part of the state to come and buy and sell in ahịa Umuosu. Yes, a lot of us wonder ndị Umuahia na ndị nọkwa Abia state self ma ahịa Umuosu. Mụ self na-agapụ di ada ya ego garị ngwa. Garị ngwa to me one of the best garị enwere na this Abia state. So now from this junction now you go enter where that the airport enter for Umuahia Nsulu, Isiala Ngwa North Local Government Area. Ndị Ngwa, unu nwekwara ụzọ unu dịkwa oke, unu nwere ezigbo ụzọ nnọọ. I tell you. So if you're looking at this side now, you got about a farm. This is a very big farm. Enter inside though. Like I told you before, and I say Ngwa people, them on agriculture na 5 and 6. They do large scale agriculture for here. No be all these women farm work. Then what the corn had the big corn. Yeah, farm na very big farm. Water. And one thing be say for here, one person they get land like say na for north, one person if you get one very big massive land, use and they do in agriculture on a low. You understand? So this particular road now we be say third no day, but we know say third go still enter here. Now from this road now for the Umuahia village, you go from now enter the airport. You understand, the Umuahia side of the airport. So now from here now, me they go Mboshi. You understand? See the road straight. You all they go and straight. Games Village, Nsulu Games Village. Like say na around this side, we'll pass them as we they go. You understand? If you never subscribe as you they watch these videos, I don't they show you your village now. You don't they smile. I just let me click that subscribe button. You understand? And notification bell above. Just see their land. They get flat land for here. No wonder airport come here. Their land for here. No be hilly. Listen now. Flat land 9 days so. That's everywhere. B. Oh, village. Village life sweet oh. this road in Afoketa na Ikawachagoya no straight or Ntega Junction Kega Puta. Mega watch na just keep going straight. You understand? Just look at the landscape. Just look at how beautiful this place is. These are people's farms. Long stretch. When I tell you say, people say when it comes to agriculture, they know they use and play. But say now whining. Just they go down. Now people farm be this. Now here we say food. They from commerce. That most market where they go. And all these farms where they produce, waiting them they sell for that market. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please kindly click the subscribe button and notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you get notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video.